Here's how to fix your Samsung phone if it's not charging. Now, the first thing that you can do is get a charging cable and try to plug it in to your Samsung phone. If it's still not charging and there's no indication that it currently is charging, the first thing you can do is unplug it. Here, let me just unplug it. And then we're going to check that little port at the very bottom to see if there's any lint or debris. Essentially, get a toothpick or something really gentle and kind of clean out that area. Keep in mind, if you keep your phone in your pocket a lot, it can accumulate lint, so just clean it out really good. The next thing that I would recommend doing is getting a different cable. So if this cable doesn't work to charge it, try to switch it out for a different cable. If you use a different cable or even a different charging block and a different outlet, essentially make sure that it's not an issue with the cable, the block, or the outlet. It's an issue with your phone. So go through and try to switch all of those up so that you can narrow it down and identify what the actual issue is. If it's still not charging, I would highly recommend it going into your settings next, and we'll go to your battery settings. From your battery settings, you can see if I scroll down to the very bottom, here is charging settings. Tap on that, and you might find that you have various options here. I have fast charging and fast wireless charging. So for instance, turn those all off if they are turned on, and then try to charge it again. If that still doesn't work, try to turn them back on and then try to charge it again. And you also might even want to try the fast wireless charging if you get a wireless charger to see if that will charge your phone without having to replace the battery or replace the phone.